If you want to make games but don't know how to get started, so guys, this series will give you a right path. This series will be helpful even you don't know how to install Unity, and of course in this video we will install Unity into our computer, and after watching this tutorial series you will be able to make your own games. So guys, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. In order to download Unity, you have to go on Google and search for Unity download and press enter. You will see the first site and you have to click on that. When I click on the first site, you can see the Unity official site has been opened and you can download the Unity Hub from here or choose Unity variants which you want. I recommend to download the Unity Hub, but I will not download from here because I already have downloaded, so I will not download. As you can see friends, I have downloaded Unity Hub, so I will right click over here and run it as administrator. It may take some time to open, so be relaxed and click on agree and click install. Alright guys, the Unity Hub has been opened, and in your case you will not see the projects over here because I am Unity old user and I have created much more projects. That is reason I am watching these projects over here. In your case you will see the maybe sign in option or active license option or anything else, so don't worry about that. I will clear your all confusions. If you will see the sign in option, so you have to click on here and click on sign in. When you will click on sign in, you'll see the new window will be open. If you have a Unity account, so you have to put your email and password, otherwise you have to create a new one account. So I'm going to create a new account. Click on create one. Here you have to put your email, your password, your username and the full name. I'm going to put my email, which is shinetechnologies.com@gmail.com, and I'm going to put my password, and make sure to put that password which you will not forget, otherwise it will create a new problem. So you will require the password when you will sign in the Unity account. Alright guys, here you have to put the username which you want. I'm going to put Shine Technologies. Here you have to put your real name, which is your full name. So my name is Aryan Shane, so I will put Aryan Shane. Make sure to check 3 boxes and verify everything. Alright, everything is clear. Make sure to remember the password and check these 3 boxes and click on create Unity ID. When I will click on Unity create ID, so it will take some time to create a new ID, so we have to wait. Alright guys, we have to verify our email which we give while we was creating account, so I have to go on Google and search for Gmail. I'm going to search for Gmail. Make sure you have login with that account which Gmail you give in while creating account on Unity. Alright guys, as you can see I have login with that account and I received the Unity Technologies email. So I have to click on link confirm email, this button. I will click over here and it may take some time. It depends on your internet speed. So you have to click on verify. You have make sure to check this box, I'm not robot, and click on verify. Alright guys, so congratulations guys, our Unity account has been created. And you have to go back on Unity Hub and back to sign in, and you have to give that email which we use while creating account. So I am going to put shinetechnologies.com@gmail.com and I am going to put my password. Click on sign in. Alright guys, I have signed in the account, and in that case if you will see the active license options, so you have to go on setting and click on license management. Again click on setting and click on license management. Here you have to active new license and choose personal one. Your company will not cross more than 100k USD when you will start, so you have to click on this option and click on done. Alright, our license has been active, so it is time to install Unity. There are 2 ways to install Unity. You can install Unity by clicking on install and click on add button. Here you can choose Unity variants, but it will depend on internet speed and it will be very low speed process, so I recommend you to download Unity offline variant from Unity Archive. when you will go on Unity Achieve, then you have to click on the first link, and here you can see there are many Unity versions, and we can download the offline installer from here. For example, I'm going to download Unity 2019, so I will select that, and here you can choose version which you want to choose. For example, I'm going to download this version. To download offline installer, you have to click on Unity editor 64-bit. It will start downloading. So alright guys, as you can see, I already have downloaded, so I will not download, and I already have installed it, so I will uninstall it and resume the video. I'm going to pause the video. So alright, I am back, and I'm going to install the Unity, and I will right click and run it as administrator. It will take some time to open, so we have to wait. Okay guys, you have to click on next and click on agree, click on next, and you require 4 GB for installation, so make sure you have 4 GB. Alright guys, it is time to locate Unity. In your case, you have to click on locate and come to C folder or that directory where you have installed Unity. So in my case, I have installed it program files, and here Unity folder, you have to go and find Unity exe file and select this. Alright, so you will see the Unity over here. So in order to create new project, you have to click on new and select the Unity version if you have downloaded more than one. So I'm click on here you will see 4 types of project. If you want to make game something like hill climb, then you have to choose 2D. If you want to make games with 3 axes, then you have to choose 3D. For example, Subway Surfer or GTA style game. If you want to make high graphics games for PC like Resident Evil, then you should choose HDRP. And if you want to make a game for mobile, then you should choose URP to increase graphics. Here you can rename your project. For example, I'm going to rename it to Aryan Unity Tutorial Basic. So click on new. So guys, here you can choose a directory of your project. I'm going to click on create. Alright guys, it may take some time to create a new project, so we have to wait. I will speed up the video. If you will watch my full tutorial series guys, I promise you will be able to make your own games. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Your one click is much for me. Alright guys, Unity has been opened, and this was the first video. If you have enjoyed the video, so make sure to subscribe and like the video.